Today's video is going to be about how to make money on Shopify, and you could use this also for Wix. Wix does the same thing. I believe Poshmark does the same thing as well, but basically how to make money online through an online store. Just certain tips that can help you guys out. What is Shopify? What is dropshipping? What's all about? Dropshipping is basically you selling stuff without having inventory. That's it. You selling any type of product without you actually having a warehouse or you having an inventory. A third party who is a wholesaler or who is another retailer is the person or the enterprise that essentially has your product. So with drop shipping, the really cool thing about it and the way that people make money is they're selling things that are already stored somewhere else or by someone else. Okay, so basically the whole thing is literally 100% online. You just have to put your label, or you just have to put your sticker, or you just have to put your own packaging, but everything else is already handled by someone else. Some retailers or example of drop shipping, I don't recommend these two, but I'm gonna name them anyways. AliExpress, Alibaba. I think they're the same company, but hey, they're like the cheapest wholesalers you'll find. Be careful with them though, because they ship from China, and sometimes shipping from China can take months, so I don't recommend working with them. I have a couple of recommendations that I will link in the description of wholesalers and retailers that if you want to work with, they're really good. Here are some mistakes that a lot of newbies make. Number one, they don't advertise. They just create the website and they think that the website is going to take care of itself. Negative. Unless if you're an influencer and you already have like thousands of followers, there's no way that you're going to just create a website and that's going to be it. No one's going to know your website. No one's going to know your product. You're going to have to advertise like crazy. This is what takes time, and this is usually where some people give up, but that is what you have to do in order to make money. Shopify, Wix, Poshmark, all those sites. Shopify gives you a 14-day free trial when you're first trying it out, so you don't have to pay anything initially, but then every month you'll have to pay about $29.99, about $30 to use their website, to use their name, a whole bunch of stuff, but it is very cheap and it is very affordable. Now, how do you actually make money on Shopify? Well, you don't make money by creating the website. That's nothing, okay? That requires no skill at all. How you make money is by selling product. Now, how do you sell product? It's by your advertising, it is by your marketing. Now, how you are able to determine how much you sell it goes according to who your audience is, it goes according to who your target is, it also goes according to which country you're shipping to. So all those things are things that you need to keep in mind when you're selling product. If you're trying to market a more expensive or a richer crowd, then you're allowed to sell more expensive things, but you also have to make sure that your packaging, your labeling, and your logos match that. Reach out to an influencer. So let's say if you're selling clothes, give the influencer a free package. Their audience is a group of people who would be interested in your product anyway. Then depending on how many followers you have, you already will get some sales. That is literally the easiest way of doing it, the most effective way of doing it. I need you guys to stop watching some of these influencers.
So taking a store from 0 to 10K per day, yes, building the store, testing, finding the winner, and then scaling all the way up to $10,000 a day in sales, about $3,000 profit. It's exactly what I did.
I need you guys to stop watching some of these influencers and thinking that you could do the exact same thing as they're doing with the least amount of effort. You're not going to make any money on Shopify just by opening a store. You have to advertise, you have to put yourself out there. It's not going to cost a lot of money, but it is going to cost a lot of time, a lot of your investment, a lot of being creative, a lot of making sure that your website looks good, because let's be honest, if you're a customer and you're trying to buy some clothes from a certain store and their website looks weird, wouldn't you think that that person's a scammer? I don't know about you, but I would. There are certain things that I look for when I'm shopping and shopping online, so you have to make sure that all your I's are dotted and all your T's are crossed. Your website has to look really good, and that takes time, okay? That takes a little bit of effort. It's not going to kill you, but it's going to take effort to make sure that your website looks good. You need to have something other than your website as well. You need to have an Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, whatever. You need to have another type of platform other than your website where you can not only advertise, okay, by making posts, but you can connect with other people who maybe in the future, who knows, you could do a collaboration with somebody else, like another shop or another celebrity or another influencer. So that is also important as well. Now, how do you get started? To be honest, signing up for Shopify is very easy. You just go on their website. It takes you like less than 20 minutes to get signed up. So I'm not going to waste too much time on that. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it there for now. I will make more Shopify dropshipping videos. If you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, get on it, because there are people who are making thousands of dollars every month from doing it. Now, what some of them won't tell you is all the stuff that they had to do in the background. However, it is profitable if you really know what you're doing, and if you really make sure that you take the time to really understand and do research before you just open a store. I've noticed that a lot of people who just open a store, they just open it and they think that's it. They think that the work ends there. No, you constantly have to advertise. You constantly have to make sure that your store is out there. And again, you have to collaborate. You have to network with other people as well to make sure that the name is there. Another thing as well is, if you're selling clothes, which most people are who are doing dropshipping, is you also have to make sure that you're paying attention to trends. So right now, what's a trend? A mask is important, but I'd say masks are pretty trendy right now. So if you have an online store, why are you not selling masks? You gotta be doing that, right? So make sure that you understand what trends are and how they can benefit you and help you. Okay guys, so that's all I'm gonna say for the dropshipping, Shopify, Wix video, whatever you wanna call it. I will make more detailed videos about specific things, but this was just a brief overview on what dropshipping is, some of the apps that some people are using, and how you can be profitable on it, and some mistakes that you shouldn't make. So anyways guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys with another video topic.